Hello everyone. So today we are discussing about that how to assign a permission set whenever you are creating the users means that at the user creation how can we directly or how can we assign the permission set automatically. So yes, it is possible by using the flow. So let's do the implementation. So I had created one permission set, that is a MFA permission set. You can see on my screen that is a MFA permission set which I want to assign this permission set to the user whenever the user is created. Okay, so I am just go to the flow and just click on the new flow and click on I am choosing the record triggered flow because whenever the user is created, so we are using this functionality in the record triggered flow, and click on the create button and just create the user and give the permission, that is active is equal to true. And firstly I need to get the permission set, so we are using get record element. Get the permission set, permission set, and we will get the permission set by using the API name, because the name can be same but the API name cannot be same. So that is a namespace prefix, that is a permission set name. So we are just finding the permission set name from here. That is IMF permission set. So this is our API name. So we are just searching the name, name equal to MP permission set. Okay, and just use another record, another element, that is a create record, assign permission set to the user, and we are using use separate variable. We are creating this element on the permission set assignment. That is assignee ID is equal to the current user key ID, and permission set ID, that is a get permission set dot id. And we can also select the expiration date, like when this permission set will assign to this particular user, and after some time if you want to remove this permission set, so you can select the expiration date in this particular permission set for this particular user. So if I just choosing the expiration date, that is a flow key current date means that is a today date, or if you want to do for in future date, so that we can create a variable where we can store the future date, and we can use this variable in the value. So we are not assigning the expiration date, because MFA permission set is a mandatory permission set which is very important in our Salesforce org. So we are not assigning the expiration date. So I am just removing this expiration date element from here, and we are just assigning the assignee date and the permission set ID. Assignee ID means the user ID, and the permission set ID means which permission set we are assigning to the particular user. And we are just save this record and assign the permission set to the newly created user, and just save it. And we can also debug here. And but we want to use this flow, or we want to check this flow in a real-time scenario. So I am just activating my flow, and I am just creating the new user. I'm just creating a new user, that is a testing user. And we are selecting the Salesforce platform, and Salesforce platform user. Role is not mandatory, and just click on the save button. Yeah, sometimes you will face this kind of issues, because this is a username issue. This is saying that it is a duplicate username. We need to choose another username, or we need to use another username which is not used in the Salesforce earlier. So we are using another one, that is this one, ES123, and just save it. So if I just go to the users, okay, that is some issue. So if I click on another, create another user, so the user is created, and we will check that permission set is assigned or not. So just click on the permission set assignment, and you will find that permission set is already assigned to this particular user when we had create the user. That is a MFA permission set which we had assigned by the flow. So this is a permission set, and